And in today's video, we're going to be talking about hygiene. I'm just talking about overall hygiene, how to smell good all day, whatever it is you need to know. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to do this in a night to day basis. Okay, so my routine is at night, you guys, or either when I'm home for good. Like if I go out somewhere, like soon as I get home, I'll take a bath, or either if I haven't went nowhere that day and I'm just, you know, I took a bath earlier that day and I'm taking one that night, this is what I use. So this is Dr. Bronner's, of course, and this is a brand new bottle. I store all that stuff in my room because I don't have anywhere to store it in my bathroom, so I just keep the bottle that I'm currently using in the bathroom, and the other ones I just keep in store in my room until I need them. Anyway, so I use this to bathe with at night, and I always use to wash my face at night and in the morning. I wash my face with Dr. Bronner's. That's the only soap that I will wash my face with is Dr. Bronner's soap. So yeah, it's the bomb. If y'all want to know what I do for my skin, Dr. Bronner's. It's real simple. I love Dr. Bronner's. So yeah, I wash with this at night. Now I do use Dove, because Dr. Bronner's soap is a bit strong. I like it though. I'm not really sensitive, like, so I could use it on my entire body. But for those of you who are sensitive, or those of you who just don't want to use it, like in your private areas, just use some Dove soap. And if you sensitive, if you just really sensitive, because I know some people are really sensitive, don't get like any type of Dove with scent. Get like the regular or the sensitive skin, or even some type of baby soap. I know a lot of people say that Dr. Bronner's I think it's scent-free baby soap is good or whatever for sensitive people. Anywho, I use Dr. Bronner's at night because I feel like Dr. Bronner's really thoroughly cleans my skin and gets all of the dirt from the day and just going out and stuff. It cleans my skin, so I always wash with this at night. So when I get in my bed, in my sheets, I'll be fresh and clean, and I'm not bringing any dirt from the outside into my bed because I'm fresh and clean. So I know some people don't like to take baths in the morning because they took a bath at night. But I'm gonna just say this: if you took a bath at 8 p.m. last night and you got up and you went to work, or you went on about your day and you was gone from home for hours and you didn't get back home, or you didn't get around to taking your bath to 8 p.m. the next night, just think about it. It's been 24 entire hours since you washed or put soap and water on your body, like, and you don't think you producing some type of odor. So that's why I don't understand. I don't think you're dirty. That's not the point that I'm trying to make. And that some people just like, they point of not taking a bath in the morning because I just took a bath last night and all I did was go to sleep. My skin's not dirty. I'm not dirty. No, you may not be dirty, but a few hours into your work day, you ain't gonna be smelling fresh either, because the last time you took a bath was 24 hours ago. So, you know, that's all I'm gonna say. So in the mornings though, this is what I like to do. I get Dove soap, and if I'm in a hurry, or even if I'm not in a hurry, you just get up and get in the shower and use Dove soap. Like, I use this at night. I feel like this thoroughly cleans me. And in the morning, when I wake up, I'm already clean because I took a bath with my Dr. Bronner's last night. But I get in the shower, get the soap, lather up real good. And if you one of those people in a hurry, or if you don't want to wake up in the morning because you think you're taking a shower too long, this literally could take like 5 to 10 minutes. Just get in the shower, lather yourself up with your Dove soap, wash everywhere from head to toe. Well, not head, because I don't wash my face with Dove soap. I just use Dr. Bronner's. But wash your face with your Dr. Bronner's or whatever you use to clean your face, and just lather your entire body up with Dove soap and rinse it off. Because you're not, technically, it's for those of you who think that way, and I don't think you're necessarily dirty either if you just went to bed last night. But you will smell fresh. They will give you a fresh scent all day. And then also you'll know when it comes around that time again that night, you'll know, oh, I took a shower this morning, you know, I should smell like Dove soap still. So that's my tip. I feel like for me, my baths at night is to thoroughly clean myself, so I'm not bringing any dirt from the outside in and bringing it into my bed. And then in the morning, Dove soap, it does clean you, but I don't know, I feel like Dove soap, they say it's a moisturizing soap, but I don't feel like it like gets you squeaky clean. Dr. Bronze gets you squeaky clean, so that's why I like to use that at night. And Dove, I just like to wash with this in the morning to give me a nice fresh scent and to just smell really good all over to start my day. And to also, that's reassurance, you know, you washed last night and you took a shower this morning and you smell extra fresh because you use your good smelling Dove. So that's my number one tip. Take a shower at night and in the morning. If you wonder why you smell funky, that's why. I don't understand. I'm not even gonna rant about it, but I really don't understand the concept of taking a shower at night and doing absolutely nothing but putting your clothes on when you wake up in the morning, because that's just like, what are you doing about your deodorant? Did you not put deodorant on before you went to bed last night, or did you put deodorant on when you went to bed last night and then when you woke up this morning you just put more deodorant on top of it? Like, that's nasty. Anyway, so after shower, I like this right here, especially if you trying to be shiny, you know, like you going somewhere, you got the legs out and you want the legs to be greased up. This right here. And they also have a cheaper brand of this. I can't remember what it is, but this Johnson & Johnson is just some body gel, but they have a cheaper version at the dollar store if you don't want to buy that one. Yeah, so that have you feeling real nice and lovely. And also another thing to smell good, I got a whole collection, but I'm not gonna reach it. It's back there in my drawer. But Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works. So yeah, you go in with all of that, you lotion yourself up. But I only like I said, I only like using my Victoria's Secret and stuff like that when I'm going somewhere. Like when I'm going somewhere that day, like in the morning when I take the bath. Like if I'm going somewhere that day, you know, that's when I like to use it. But if I'm just staying at home, I like to use if I'm not going anywhere, you know, that day or something, I just want to smell fresh after I took a shower. This is what I do, just put in regular, just Vaseline. I love this one. I love the smell of this one. So I just lotion myself up with lotion. If that's just if I'm chilling at home or whatever. But if I'm going somewhere, I use a combination. If I'm going somewhere, I use the gel and like my Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works after I get out the shower and just lotion up, spray my perfume, and you be smelling real good, sis. Real good. Oh yeah, this is another tip for smelling good all the time. Let me see. I don't even, what are mine? But anyway, the other tip is make sure you wash your scarves or your bonnets. So if you wearing, it don't even matter what you're wearing. If you come on. All of us girls wear our bonnet or scarves on our head at night. So if you continue to wear that bonnet or scarf and you ain't washing it, then yeah, and you don't have to like specifically wash it by itself. You can just throw it in with a load of clothes. Like you got black clothes that you wash and just put it in there with your black clothes. Let it wash. I would say wash it as needed, you know, or whatever. Maybe once a week, like, or whenever, like I said, whenever you got a load of black clothes that you finna put in the washer, just throw the bonnet on up in there with it and let it get fresh, because that can produce an odor. You know, your body might be smelling good, but if you got wearing a stinking bonnet on your head at night that you ain't been washing, then your hair gonna stink, sis. Okay. Also try to find like good smelling. Not all of them are good, but I'm not saying only buy products. If it's a good product that you use for your hair and it don't smell good or it don't have like really a smell, you could find something to just like, I think they even have hair perfume if I'm not mistaken. They might sell it at hair store. I think I saw that before. But yeah, just put something on your hair that smells good. It don't mean you have to stop using products that you like just because it don't necessarily smell good. But just try, you know, to find something that does smell good so that you can put it on your hair so that your hair can just have a nice fresh smell. Now let's go on to the teeth. I'm telling y'all, you gotta make sure everything is on point, because if any of these is off point, you can be smelling off. So I'm trying to make sure you smell good all the way around. So first of all, mouthwash is your friend, sis. Mouthwash is your friend. Get you a good toothbrush. Make sure you flossing every day. Make sure you rinsing your mouth out, and of course brushing your teeth. The obvious one. Make sure you brushing your teeth every day, at least twice a day, or after every meal. However, you know, whatever it do, however your schedule, whatever. I mean, if you're at work, you can't brush your teeth. Right, if you eat on lunch break, you can't brush your teeth unless you go home on lunch break or something. But you know, but make sure you brushing them. Anyway, what else? Okay, underarms. This is what I use, Lady Speed Stick. It works really good for me. Personally, I've tried like other deodorants before. Well, I say Secret is good, but Secret is honestly a little more expensive. Lady Speed Stick works just as well and it's cheaper, so that's what I stick with. But Secret is good and Degree is good. I tried both of them, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to pay for them if I ain't got to, and the Lady Speed Stick do just as well. And make sure, another thing, ladies, make sure you scrub your armpits and get that deodorant from up under your arms when you taking your shower, like, because you got deodorant still caked under there from the early part of the day. You won't be rank. And then also, if you wear like white shirts and you wonder why you got like yellow stains under the armpit part, it's probably because you're not washing all that deodorant from up under your arms good, so it's leaving a stain on your shirt. Just the FYI. What else? Oh yeah, this is another huge tip, ladies. You will smell, like, people be saying they take a bath at night and they good, they don't think they smell for the rest of the day. But those of y'all people that don't like to wash y'all sheets on y'all bed, you can take a bath at night, but you definitely gonna have a smell, odor to you if you're not washing your sheets. You have to wash your sheets like every couple days. You need to wash your sheets. If you go to bed in smelly sheets, no matter how good you bathe, and you get up the next day and you don't bathe again, you're gonna smell. So make sure that's on point. Make sure you wash your sheets, your comforter, your pillowcases, your pillows can go in the washer as well. Wash all of that stuff. Make sure you keeping it clean, because if you sleep on a bed, mattress, or whatever, and it has an odor, that odor is gonna get on you and it's gonna linger if you're not properly bathing. FYI. And it also can get on your clothes. Like, you lay your clothes out on your bed when you getting ready to go somewhere. That smell, if your sheets and stuff ain't clean, it's gonna be in your clothes. It's not cool, sis. What other tips? Yeah, some of y'all don't be washing y'all belly button. When you get in the shower, wash your belly button. Wash up in there. Wash it really good. And every now and then, get a Q-tip. Wash it with your finger or whatever through the wash rag when you in the shower. But if you feel like that ain't thoroughly cleaning, and also just every now and then, even if you do think it's cleaning it, get a Q-tip with like some alcohol and just get up in there. Treat it like it's your ear and just get up in there. Make sure, also, that's another thing, make sure you thoroughly keeping your ears clean. I don't know if earwax smells, but that's just not a good look. You walking around with no thick earwax in your ear. That's another tip. So I'm just trying to keep y'all together, sis. I'm trying to keep y'all all the way together. Make sure you smelling really fresh. Some people, for those of you who don't know, I think everybody should know this. Make sure you wash around your ears, because they can start to smell too if you don't wash behind your ears. These just a bunch of hygiene tips. I'm just trying to make sure y'all smell on point. Yeah, so hopefully the night bathers don't get offended by this video. It's not to offend y'all, but it's just the honest truth. If you're taking a bath at 8, 9 at night, and you're not taking another bath to 8, 9 the next night, and ain't no water or soap touched you in 24 hours, I don't care what you say, you producing some kind of odor. It might not be loud enough for the people around you to smell, but when you take them clothes off, I'm sure you smell something that ain't fresh. Okay? So make sure you keeping it fresh, keeping it cute. What else? I think I touched on it, all of the hygiene points that I could possibly have touched on today. It also gave y'all some tips to smell really, really good. Another tip for those morning showers. Like I said, if you take a bath at night, you clean or whatever, but in the morning, you need to at least wash and lather up one good time and rinse off before you leave home. And that's just how I feel, especially if you finna go work like a 9 to 5, 8-hour shift, and you just not gonna wash or put no soap and water on you before you leave home, and you know you ain't finna be back home for like 8-9 hours. Yeah, you tripping in my book. Anywho, for those of you who like to, you know, smell really extra good, get your Victoria's Secret or your Bath and Body Works or whatever type of good smelling fragrance that you have. And when you get to the end of your shower and you finna get ready to get out, just spray, like as the shower is coming down out the shower head, just let your spray, just spray it like 2-3 times, and then y'all, it's gonna mist up in the shower and like come down. It's gonna like basically get the fragrance in your skin. So spray it like at the water, and then the water's gonna come on your skin, and then it's like, I don't know, like, but you can just smell it, like the fragrance be on your skin all day. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope these tips were helpful to you guys. I'm not gonna make it really long. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and join Lady Gang, and comment below if you think it's anything that I missed in this video, or if you just want to give out more tips to the ladies out there. So like, comment, and subscribe to join Lady Gang. Peace.